English education study program has now become one of the most favorite study programs because this department has very bright prospects. Not only can later become an English teachers, but students from the English department can undergo various professions ranging from being an interpreter or translator directly, translating artists becoming lecturers, tutor to working in other fields because grades from English are needed by the company. Not only does it have break prospect, but majoring in English education also has many advantages, especially during college. It is no wonder that students in this department will look like they really enjoy their college day and always look happy. What are the advantages of studying in the English education study program? Here is a list of these advantages. 1. Have friends with open minds and high tolerance. By studying English education major, students will meet many friends from various regions in Indonesia. Most of them have a modern or very international mindset. They will not be too imposing their will on others, such as protesting how to dress and so on. As long as what is done does not interfere with each other, and English education students will relax. In addition, tolerance among students is also very good. The interesting thing is there might be some students who are still not very confident in their English, so they choose to take additional tutoring. This can be a good learning pattern for other students. There is a lot of literature or additional study books for students. Each department will definitely use manual of or literature to support lectures. Therefore, the English study program also use books for the subject to be studied. In addition to books recommended by lecturers, it is not uncommon for students to need additional books that can be purchased at several bookstores. In addition to the mall, sometimes there are also places that provide used or new books at low prices, where this place is very popular with students. Students of English education will have no trouble finding some additional literature to help with their studies. This is because there are so many books about English available, such as books on tenses, how to educate, and so on. 3. Apart from friends, the lecture mindset is also open and very advanced. Lecturers who teach in the Department of English Education often have gone abroad to study or for other purposes. So lecturers might even take the education level of S1 master or doctor in another country. This is what makes most lecturers in the Department of English Education have a very advanced modern mindset. In addition to learning exponentially, they will transmit a lot of knowledge while studying abroad, such as telling about the habits of students there, how the curriculum is, and so on. On the other hand, lecturers in the English education department also have excellent disciplines due to their experience while studying abroad. What's interesting is most of the stylish of the lecture are very relaxed and very easy to communicate with, including when students need to contact the lecturer via telephone. Better English, usually majoring in English education, will require all students to get used to communicating in English during class. This means the atmosphere in college will feel different, very fun, and no one will think it is cool because they often speak English. With the habit of speaking English, students with encouragingly hone their abilities. Even though they strictly allowed with English, students still have a high sense of love for their homeland. 5. Have the opportunity to become an English tutor or tutor. While studying in the Department of English Education, students can also earn extra money by becoming an English tutor or tutor because tutoring in this field of scan is very popular, especially in big cities. Apart from being able to break fortune and possibly providing a link in the future by becoming an English tutor or tutor, students can also hand their knowledge in educating children. Once reward the 2 or 3 Island patient, but of course students must be good at managing time to that part-time or as a tutor will not interfere with their college years. 6. Can run an translation business in addition to selling English legend. Translating articles, journals, and so on are also created in demand. In fact, the income that can be at beneath it's also the case. Students majoring in English education can take this opportunity if they really need extra money or just want to hone their English skill. The trick is to open your own translation business that can be promoted through social media or by joining a professionally established translation service. Besides being profitable, this job is flexible and can be done from anywhere as long as student has a computer or laptop and also an internet network. Those are the 6 advantages of being a student of the English education study program. No wonder this department has always been one of the most favorite manager by children who have graduated from high school or vocational school. Thank you.